This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Monteith. WESTCHASE Lakefront Pool Home. 4-bedroom, 3-bath and 2,456 square feet of fabulous open, split floor plan with soaring ceilings with tranquil lake views. The kitchen is a chef's dream with newer 2018 stainless steel gas appliances, a breakfast bar and nook. 3-car garage, pavered driveway, hurricane shutters, recessed lighting, overhead fans, and reclaimed water sprinkler system. Open living room and dining combo. Family room is spacious and overlooks the pool and lake, with a white marble gas fireplace. Saltwater pool with fountain jets and sweeper. Screened lanai has covered entertaining space and pool bathroom. Master bedroom has sliders to the pool, lake view, vaulted ceiling, ensuite bath with double sink, shower, jacuzzi tub and 2 large walk-in closets. Roof 2016. HVAC 2020. Cage rescreened 2016. Home has had only one owner and shows pride and meticulous maintenance. This sought-after WESTCHASE neighborhood offers golf, tennis, pickleball, basketball courts, playgrounds, swimming pools. Centrally located to beaches, airports, downtown, and bars and restaurants. Seller needs a 30-day closing. Wall unit in dining room conveys with home. For more information, review the details below.